In this video, I'll show you how to record vocals in FL Studio 24. Alright, so here you can see I've set up the first insert for recording of vocals. You can pick any insert that you like. And what we need to do is go up to Options on the top left, and then click on Audio Settings. And here where it says Input and Output, you need to pick your device driver. So you can either use ACO for all, FL Studio ACO, or your actual audio interface or microphone drivers. This part will look different for everybody. And if you do pick an ACO driver, here you will see the ACO panel. You just need to make sure that your input is set as your microphone. And if you want the output to also go through your interface, if you have one, then make sure that that is also set from the output section. Now next we need to set our buffer length. The lower you set it, the less latency you will have. But keep in mind the lower you set it as well will also affect your CPU. So we can just close out of that, and we can close out of here. And once that's set up, you won't really have to do it again. And if we go to the right hand side of our mixer, we can choose mono or stereo. If you're recording vocals, you're going to do mono. And my interface has two inserts for instruments and mics. And here you just need to choose yes. Now let's make sure we are armed. So if we go down here, if it's red, that means we're armed. If it's not, then you must just click on it to turn it on. Perfection. Now this part is optional, but I'm going to go to a track, right click on it, track mode, audio track, and set the first track to be linked to the first insert. So all recordings are done through this track. And if we are armed on both, we should be able to hear our voice in the microphone already. And then we just need to go to the top here, next to the BPM, hit record, and audio into the playlist as an audio clip. And that is all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.